Hello everyone, Exoman, and today I want to talk to you about heartworm medication for your mutts, for your dogs. I've been doing this for years, and this will save you a heck of a lot of money if you do it this way. But let me preface this by saying, if you're not entirely confident, take your dog to your vet and get the proper medication that you know is the proper dosage. Okay, but if you're confident and you deal with a lot of animals, a lot of people have a number of dogs, and it gets very expensive to deworm them. This product is so cost effective. It's a 1% solution. It's the basic brand or name was Ivermectin, and this is just an off brand. This is Zimectrin. Same thing. It's a 1% solution, and I use it at 1/10 of a cc per 10 pounds of body weight. If you have a 100-pound animal, that's 1 cc. Okay? If you can't follow that, if you feel uncomfortable doing it, don't try. Just get the pills from your vet or from your online store or whatever. But so what I'm going to demonstrate is how I do this. I do this with my pigs and with my dogs. You just buy some syringes in an online store. You don't need to inject your animal unless you're really comfortable with that. What I do is, if I'm doing it this way, I put it on their food. I just give them a little extra dosage. So my dog here is 70 pounds. So I'm going to give him, you would estimate that as 7/10 of a cc, but I'm going to give him a little extra since it's going through his digestive tract. And of course, I'm going to end up with a little in the tip of the needle, so I'll push it back to about 7/10. Okay? Maybe a little more. And then I'll take this, and if your dog is, here, come here, Poe. If your dog is a really, look at this, take a look at this. If your dog is a picky eater and won't eat this bread with this taste of ivermectin on it, or norvermectin, put it in their feed. Be creative. Give them some peanut butter, what have you. Now watch and see if he takes this. Good boy. And put your other animals away if there's any chance of another dog getting at the dosage. But see, he'll get all that, and the little dog's not going to bother him. Now he's just been properly medicated for heartworms. And this bottle cost me about $36, $38, and you will use this bottle until it's time to throw it away. In other words, if you have 1 or 2 dogs, you won't even use the whole bottle before the expiration date is up. You see, it'll be expired before you use it, but you'll save a ton of money. If you have a number of dogs, you may use the whole bottle, but $36 for a year worth of medication beats the heck out of, $100 or hundreds of dollars depending on how many animals you have. But as I say, remember that it's the 1% solution for swine and cattle is what I use, and use it at 1/10 of a cc for 10 pounds of body weight. That would equate to 1 cc for a 100-pound animal. Also, a few things to remember. One is that this is an oral dosage. So like I did, you can put it on food, or you can take the tip off of the syringe and just shoot it into the back of their throat. It doesn't taste great, and it works fine for me on their food, so I just do it the easiest way. And this is a good broad-based dewormer as well. Ivermectin is good for mange and intestinal parasites. And do this once a month. This is a monthly dosage, okay? And very important note is, if your dog has not been checked for heartworms, don't medicate it for heartworms. Get your dog tested first, because if you kill developed heartworms in the heart, you can easily kill your dog. You don't want grown heartworms dying in your dog's heart. All right, so get your dog tested. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.